let's download the C++ compiler. Open lang tayo ng ating Google Chrome. Sa search bar, type tayo C++ compiler for Visual Studio Code. And then, click natin itong second link. Get started with C++ in Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then look for installing the min-gw-w64 toolchain. Hanapin natin yung direct link to the installer. It will download the necessary application, the CSS compiler for Visual Studio Code. Wait nating matapos. Okay. And there you go. We have downloaded the C++ compiler installer for Visual Studio Code.